Welcome to English class. This is level 1 online, week 2, lesson number 4. Here's all that information you need to see again. It's week 2, lesson number 4. Today's date is April 15th. No, it's not. It's April 14th. But it will be ready by April 15th. This is level 1. We're learning Unit 6 and we're going to finish off all of the lessons today. And we're also reviewing Unit 5. And we're also learning online navigating and a little bit of extra English. You are probably watching this video between April 13th and April 26th. But this video was filmed on April 14th. I don't know what day it is anymore. So let's start with part 1. This video is part 1. So we have the warm-up, we have online navigating where we learn banking and telecommunications. Let me write that for you. Telecommunications. Okay, and then we're going to review Unit 6. We're going to learn time words again. So let's start with the warm-up. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. The date is April 14th, 2020. Today is Tuesday, April 14th. The weather is sunny. It's very nice outside today. The weather is sunny. The temperature is... Hey Siri, what's the temperature? I don't know. Siri doesn't know. Okay. Let's look up the temperature. The temperature right now is 71 degrees. So the temperature is 71 degrees. And it feels warm. Let's say it feels warm. Because if you're in the sun, it feels very warm. So now, I want you to write this for you. What is today for you? What is the date? What is the weather for you? What's the temperature for you right now? And how does it feel? Does it feel warm, cool, or mild? The word of the day, postpone. Postpone. Postpone means to do an event later. Remember, an event is just something that is happening. An event can be a party, a wedding, or even a class. An event. Postpone means to do the event later. So if I postpone class by 1 hour, I'm saying, hey, today I want to start class 1 hour late. So if we start class at 9 a.m. and I postpone it by 1 hour, that means class starts at 10 a.m. because I postpone it by 1 hour. Postpone means to do something later. I can postpone going to the doctor by 1 day. I can say, I don't want to go to the doctor tomorrow. I want to postpone the appointment by 1 day. So I will go in 2 days. I will go later. I will postpone. Or we can reschedule. Reschedule just means to agree to go on a different day. So if I have an appointment with my dentist, let's say I have to go to the dentist on March 14th. This is my appointment on March 14th for the dentist. But I reschedule it to March 16th. Originally, my appointment is on March 14th, but I reschedule it to March 16th. Or I can reschedule it to March 10th. I can move it earlier. I can go earlier because I'm rescheduling. So reschedule can mean to move an event later or move it earlier. Postpone means to move an event later only. So this is so you do something later. This is so you do something at a different time. Different time. Reschedule means to do something at a different time. Postpone means to do it later. So like me, I postpone to clean the house. I say, I can clean the house later tonight. And then later tonight, I say, I can clean the house tomorrow. It's okay, I can do it tomorrow. I postpone it. And sometimes you will see TBD or TBA for events. Event time. Event time. So if the event time is the time that the event happens, then TBD means to be decided. TBA means to be announced. Now what this means is we don't know. We don't know when. To be decided and to be announced is the same thing. It means we don't know when. So we don't know when the event can happen. So now, because of the coronavirus, a lot of events are TBD or TBA. So if you have, maybe if somebody you know has a wedding this month, it is TBD because they don't know when they can have the wedding again because we can't have that many people go out. It's not safe. Or if you have a concert, the concert is to be decided because we don't know when is a good time to have a concert now. The event time is TBD or TBA. It's the same. Any more words? Nope. All right. So today we're going to learn a little bit about online banking, how to get to your bank account online. Because I know a lot of you use check deposits and you go to the bank. But right now, that may not be possible. Maybe you can still go, but maybe not. So I'm going to teach you just the very basics of online banking, okay? So this is a website for online banking. Every bank has one. This one is Chase, and I have one for Bank of America right here. So the first thing you always see is the online ID or the login. And the next thing you see is the password. All right? So let's write those down. We're not going to log in today. We're just going to learn some important words. So we have the online ID. Your online ID or your username is how your bank knows who you are online. It is your online name. It's not your real name. Maybe it's just a bunch of letters and initials. It looks something like this maybe. This is an online ID. This is not real, of course. But this is, let's just say this is your username that you use to log in with. And of course, when you log in, you need a password. Every time you log in, you need a password. It's maybe 8 letters long and a number. Okay? So, when you get into your online ID, what can you do? What can you do with online banking? Well, you can check your money. You can see how much money you have. You can deposit checks. So if you from your job, maybe you get checks, you can deposit your checks from home. You do not need to go to the bank. All you need. So next week, I'll show you how to deposit checks, but not today because I don't have anything ready. This is just because I have a lot of people asking me some basic questions about online banking. So, online banking, what else can you do? You can pay bills. You can pay bills online. Bills. Do you remember bills? Bills. What kind of bills do you have? Bills are things you have to pay. You have to pay them, like phone, utilities. Utilities are water, electric, gas, are utilities. Other bills you have to pay, rent or mortgage. So like the house money, and any medical bills you have, all here. Also, credit card bills. Your credit card and your savings or checking. So, this is all of the things you can do online. Paying bills online is not very hard once you learn how to do it one time. The first time you do it, it is very hard. But after that is much easier. Okay? So if you have any more questions about how to pay bills or anything, ask me so I can get the next video ready for you. Alright, let's practice using the time words. We have at, in, and on. At, in, and on. Let's use them for these words here. First word we have is the morning. So which time word do we use with the morning? We use in. This is not. We say in the morning. September. Do we use at, in, or on for September? We use in September because September is a month. For months, we use in. The morning, we use in because it's a part of the day. If it's part of the day, we say in. Night. For the word night, we use at night. p.m., 3 o'clock. Because it is a time, we always use at 3. Tuesday. Tuesday is a day, so we use on Tuesday. The afternoon. The afternoon is a part of the day, so we use in the afternoon. In the afternoon. January 26th. There's a month and a date here. Because there's a date, we know it's a day, so we use on January 26th. (1976). For years, we use in 1976. Oh boy, and this one is a little bit more complicated. Last week, blank Wednesday. Wednesday is a day, so we use on. Last week on Wednesday. This one is long. Blank 3, blank the afternoon, blank Sunday. This one, we need 3 of them. 3 is a time with an hour, so we say at. At 3, the afternoon. The afternoon, we say in the afternoon. Sunday is a day, so we say on. At 3 in the afternoon on Sunday. What do you do at 3 in the afternoon on Sunday? What do you do at 3 in the afternoon on Sunday? Do you go to the park? Do you go to church? Do you go eat lunch? Do you work? Are you with your family? What do you do at 3 in the afternoon on Sunday? Okay? Blank 2, blank night, blank Friday. 2 is a time. So we say at 2. The word night here also uses at. So we say at 2 at night. At 2 at night, blank Friday. At 2 at night on Friday. July 5th, 2014. July 5th, 2014 is a date, so we use on July 5th, 2014. And finally, August. August is a month, so we use in August. Here, July 5th, 2014 is a date. We know this is one day. So because it's one day, we use on July 5th, 2014. August is a month, so there are a lot of days. So we say in August. So I hope by now you understand at, in, and on. Make sure you do the online homework so I know you understand. Okay, so now that we practice time words, let's get some practice listening. I want you to listen to the story about me, actually. So, I'm sorry if the videos this week are not very good, or if the website is not up to date in time, it's not ready in time. It's because I'm sick. So let me tell you how I was sick. I want you to listen for my symptoms, and I want you to listen for time words. Are you ready? Last week on Thursday at night, I have a fever. I have a fever of 100 degrees. So I went to sleep. In the morning on Friday, I called my doctor, and my doctor says, you just need medicine and you need to rest. And so I didn't do anything. I didn't make videos. I just stayed in bed. And I was coughing a lot of coughing on Friday. On Saturday, I didn't have a fever anymore. I don't have a fever on Saturday. Everything's okay. But I'm coughing a lot. So again, no video. And on Sunday, I feel a little better and my voice is a little sore. My throat is a little sore, but I make a video. I'm still coughing a little bit. And then on Monday, I feel even better. No fever, just sore throat. Today is Tuesday. Again, no fever, just a little sore throat. But I can talk okay now. So that's my story. I hope you understand. So let's see. So let me tell you one more time. On Thursday, I have a fever. On Friday, I have a fever. On Saturday, I am coughing and I have a sore throat. On Sunday, I'm coughing and I have a sore throat. On Monday, I'm coughing and I have a sore throat, but no fever. And today is Tuesday. Just a little bit of coughing, just a little sore throat, and no fever. So, you remember the questions in Unit 4? How long have you had a blank, had a problem? How long have I had a fever? I had a fever for 2 days. How long have you been coughing? I have been coughing for 3 days. How long have you had a sore throat? I've had a sore throat for maybe 3 days, but I'm feeling better. My sore throat is mild. It's not serious. So on a scale of 1 to 10, it's about a 3 right now. But on Monday, it was more like a 8. But now it's down to a 3, so I feel okay now. So, did you hear the words? So I said on for all the days. On Thursday, on Friday, on Saturday, on Sunday, on Monday. And I said at night and in the morning. And I think I said in the afternoon too. Okay? So by now, you should hear everything I'm saying and you should understand all the time words. Okay? Thanks for watching.